Welcome back to Theme Park Gamers, guys. We're at Legoland. It's our last opportunity to ride Viking River Splash. Let's go to the park. I'll take you guys along with me. I've also got Pirate Captain Jakey with me as well. I think I'll watch. Jolly ho, we survivors go. Of course, let's go Legoland. So we've got lovely cruise handles. These rotate. And so down there, you can see London. Excuse me, Pirate Captain Jakey Lou. Oh, what are we on? Field trade. Elsie, what are we on? What are we on, Elsie? Wake up, Joe! Wake up, Joe! Wakey, wakey, Joe, Joe! Run. Pirate Captain Jakey is gonna go say hi to Wiggles! Hi! Hello, Wiggles. Morning, Jakey. How are you feeling? You happy to be back? Hey, Mummy!
Morning, Jakey.
In her t-shirt it says, might be a picture if you can be a pirate.
Exactly. I wonder why I've got to be a pirate today.
Pirate show! And we're going to Mythical.
Our first one is going to be Desert Chase, the carousel here. We get to sit on the horse. What's for the figure? Jakey. I think we'll sit on the horses.
Jakey Luke. Yee-haw! Birdies round up on the upper plane. It's time for Sheriff Jakey. He's a very good to ride a horsey. I got to ride a horsey. Elsie, how was that, you horses? What did we do? We rode. We're next. Journey. Let's go.
Drink machine. You press button. And it fills water bottle up.
Yay! I'm on the birthday board! Yay! Yes, I know! It's been a while, sorry!
Okay. Oh. Elsie, what have we done?
Take it off your top.
No, Maximus, no. Maximus broken.
What did you do, Elsie? No, what did you do with your shoes?
He said it as well. I'm passing came with oceans anyway.
We're going to watch the pirate show. Jakey likes it. Like it's a full cast today.
Yay!
He likes his pirates.
Ozzy does too.
Always good to also catch the first show of the day, because then you can watch it and then you go off and do what you want and then just come back. Do whatever you feel like, so it's right at the show.
Who am I? I am the fearsome, fearless pirate captain. Pirate captain. Any last words?
Just 3.
Wake up, Booty!
Come on, shipmates. I need your help after 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wake up, Booty!
Give those baddies your biggest.
Oh, no.
This is Legoland Windsor. This is when we are free now. But look, there's Booty. Now, Booty, get that gem. Now, behind you.
Ow, that's gonna hurt.
Now, listen, Booty. I'm gonna use that cannon to break that curse.
I like that. Time to go and ride Maximum.
Mark, it's scary, but don't worry. You're with the Skyline Maximus. He'll keep you safe. Oh, Bobs, you don't need to ride a gondola. You have wings. Hey, Bobs, how's about a rainbow?
Still like that one, we go up right in the middle level, middle row, perfect.
Yes. I enjoyed it. I'm gonna pour it.
I think you go as well. I think Paul's enjoyed it.
Oh, there's someone else who did.
Big step ups.
Where can I go, Elsie?
I think Maximus is telling us as well. Time for some lunch. Tell me something. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock.
It's a pirate's favourite thing, booty! Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake my booty. Shake my booty. Down, down, fruit. Oh, yo, ho, ho,
Hello there. Don't mind me. I'm just resting me bones. I thought I would get a bit of fresh air. Not that it will do me much good now. You go off and enjoy yourselves now. I hear there might be some treasure buried somewhere nearby.
Jake! Pause! Time for some sucky pause! Time for pirate full show request. We're gonna get very well. Oh, mate. Yep. I'm brave taking my phone down, but I've got more phones from Wolf anyway. That way. What's the worst?
Yeah, it was.
I'm a wet there.
Sucky balls.
I hate you under the front as well. Time to go into the Knight's Kingdom.
Sweet, sweet.
No, what is it? Wet, dry, wet, dry, wet, dry. Make your mind up, weather. We're now doing the last hike ever up the hill to go and do Viking River Splash. None of us been for a while. It closes on the 25th this month, so let's go say bye. I'm not going to miss that, but Viking River goes rides. Across the years. Although this hill is something we're not going to miss, I think. So, farewell, lovely dragon. Let's carry on, eh?
Run, 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 run. Elsie, run!
Time for a hot.
Huge. There's a roller coaster. What's it time for? Adam, Gary, this is for you.
Let's go shopping! There's lots of new merchandise again. There's always new merchandise. Lots of new stuff. We're going to have a look and go from there. Where are you going? Are you going to go to mini pigs? Jakey, ooh, what have you got? Woohoo! We got the Avengers. Oh, what have you got?
Mr. Spanish. I solemnly swear I was not up to no good.
Have you enjoyed yourself today?
I have. It's been very muggy and hot though.
It has been very, very muggy and hot. What's been your favourite parts of today? Would you say?
Just being out and about, but it has been very muggy.
Yeah, I think my favourite part has been seeing the pirate show again. I absolutely love it. If you have enjoyed the video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, haven't done so already. I will see you guys on Saturday at Fort Pot Resorts for Oktoberfest. Woo!